Cyber threat intelligence, or CTI, is information that helps organizations understand and defend against cyber attacks. It is the process of collecting and studying data about cyber threats. This includes knowing who the attackers are, how they work, and what tools they use. CTI turns raw data into useful knowledge to protect organizations from cyber risks. CTI is important because it helps organizations move from reacting to attacks to preventing them. By understanding threats in advance, security teams can prepare and stop attacks before they happen, reducing damage and costs. The way CTI works involves gathering data from many sources like internal logs, threat feeds, and even the dark web. Experts then analyze this data to find patterns and signs of attacks. This intelligence is shared with the right people so they can take action. There are different types of CTI. Strategic intelligence helps leaders understand big-picture risks. Tactical intelligence provides security teams with technical details like malware signatures. Operational intelligence focuses on specific attacks and how they happen. The benefits of CTI include giving early warnings, helping teams respond faster, and making smarter decisions about protecting networks and data. It also helps automate defenses by blocking malicious files or IP addresses. In short, cyber threat intelligence is a vital tool that turns information about cyber threats into actions that keep organizations safe from hackers and cybercrime. Check out the link in the description to learn more about cyber threat intelligence.